Welcome back to the channel. Get Lounge Idea. Simple security style solved when it's come to build or upgrading a wood. Get on of the most impression elements is the gate lounge. A good lounge do not just keep the gate clean, it's add both security and elegant. The overall look of your fence and entrance away. In this video, we explored drive into simple gate lounge idea. You can build at home, use basic tone, affordable material, and a little created. Whether you are work with a backyard fence gate, a gardening gate, or a front yard entrance gate, those lounge idea will help customize and read and style solve recreate launch a perfect favorite. Launch is not one of the simplest match you can build yourself. Its work by use natural downward height to lock the gate automatic even time it's close to make the owner launch all need its a file metal a height and pins secure add a smart back a wood moment of the metal beach on the gate frame so it's perfect. Then launch and words back on the post so that then the gate clean the barn door hence the lounge for open. This lounge is experience reading weather resisting and need main entrance free. It's perfect for backyard or gardening. Get when are of your its impression. Simple short both launch and other try to open that you can custom and mean away you can posting that build at a hardware soft craft your owner use metal plies or use red and a few blackened use a metal tube or fiber as the salt at the hand or ran to the robot for easy operate. This launch worked great for both single and double gate. It's your want excellent security. Those they both on the inside, so it can be open for outside the fence. Would draw, bring, launch, rustic and stood. If you love the launch of timed hardware, I would draw, bring, launch. It is a beautiful and functional operating. This design impact and long price of hardwood that drawing into double side bring of supporting attached to the launch and post. To build this, cut a 2 to 3 feet wood bands, install two wood craft and metal you bring. It give a rustic farmhouse feel and work well for long gate like driveway entrance and bring style gate fence for use a long draw bring that both side for a sting look. Thank you for watching this video.